She's getting arrested right now. She's not at our headquarters. We haven't processed her yet.
The amount's definitely under 200. There's a reason why I'm asking right now. The amount is definitely under 200, right?
On August 16th, 2025, officers responded to a retail store after security reported suspected shoplifting involving merchandise said to be under $200. The woman was taken into custody and primarily spoke Spanish. The central issue is not whether police could investigate the allegation, but whether arrest authority, the search, custodial questioning, and Miranda were kept legally separate.
Hi. You guys called?
You need help?
Yeah. You guys called?
I don't know, I have to call you.
Okay.
It's the security office.
Yeah, security.
The main office.
Where's the security office?
Straight back?
Straight back.
I will show you.
Okay. No, I think they got it.
I will show you.
Yes.
Oh, it's got to be back here.
Oh, you know it?
Yeah, the shoplifter? Are they back? Your offices are back here?
Security officer.
All right, great.
Processing with me, I guess. Guess so. It's alright. We'll eat Lenny's arrest.
Do you speak Spanish?
No.
Poquito.
She only speaks Spanish, so she says. I haven't explained any of the paperwork to her.
Is
Because
this her license?
apparently she's done this before, it's a thing. She's quite a lot.
¿Tú hablas inglés, poquito? No. ¿Dónde es tu casa?
A little bit.
Yeah, little you speak. Okay. All right, cool.
¿Ah? Yo, por favor, ayúdenme a salir, no puedo quedarme el fin de semana.
We could do this without her even talking.
Yeah.
So I'll have them run her.
This is all the stuff?
Yes.
P4 headquarters.
Yes, before.
NJD.
And my lawyer.
Your lawyer. Okay.
I just need the officer's name and badge number, that's like a
When we get her back in.
Acá está. My lawyer talks.
I'm not talking to your lawyer right now.
No, dice que no.
What did you need?
And badge number, just
You give me yours? Yeah, it's fine.
5-1.
520.
Copy for trespass.
¿Me van a procesar here o en la...
Okay, Eddie? I'm sorry?
Procesar here?
No, we don't process it in home goods. We process it in our headquarters. Oh, cool. A
We
table.
got our new guy speaks Spanish.
El número del complaint.
We'll figure that out when we...
My lawyer.
She's getting arrested right now. She's not at our headquarters. We haven't processed her yet.
She's gonna be ROR or
I'll talk to this guy.
Like,
We don't know that yet. We'll let her call you when we get back to our headquarters and we know if she's going to be ROR'd or not.
Okay, all right, brother, thank you.
All right.
¿Qué dice?
Que no saben si te van a procesar
Lawyer.
ahora.
That's fine.
¿Y eso a qué se refiere?
we'll take that.
La cárcel o la...
What's the total?
153.83.
Okay. All right. Yeah, as long as she doesn't have any active warrants or anything, she'll be ROR'd because it's under 200.
Okay.
All right.
Mi licencia.
All right. We have that. All right. You can
¿Qué dice?
I'm not rushing you guys.
¿A la qué dice?
Yeah, stay right there for now.
And I need a case number.
Thank you.
¿Usted cree con los...
Stay inside. Too big.
¿Usted cree con los cargos?
Two Baker, IR is going to be 050210 050210.
Ok, ahí yo te llamo. I need my phone.
You can't have your phone.
Yep. Thank you.
Alright, turn around for me.
We'll get it to you. Ma'am, this is going to be searched. Do you have anything in there you shouldn't have? Drugs, weapons, or anything?
No. keys in my car.
Okay. Oh, your car's here? Okay. Do you have any stolen merchandise in your vehicle?
What's the address of this home, guys?
808 US 42.
Stand by for a second. Stand by. That's alright, I don't need it.
You ever been arrested before?
Hace tiempo.
Shoplifting? Okay.
Come back in here. Come here for a second. Just gonna do a quick search of you, okay? Do you have anything on you that's gonna... Do you have anything on you? Anything in your pockets? Nothing? Okay.
Good thing they gave me a whole stack of these today.
The strongest issue arises after custody is clear. Miranda versus Arizona requires safeguards before custodial interrogation, and Rhode Island versus Innis treats express questions likely to produce an incriminating response as interrogation. Asking whether more stolen merchandise was in the vehicle fits that concern. The transcript does not show earlier warnings, but that cannot prove none were given. The next issue is what authority supported the arrest. If the incident is confirmed as occurring in New Jersey, New Jersey Statutes Section 2C 2011 matters directly. It classifies shoplifting below $200 as a disorderly persons offense and permits warrantless arrest when an officer has probable cause to believe shoplifting occurred. The store allegation and merchandise evidence may support probable cause, but the transcript does not capture every fact known when the arrest was made. Once a lawful custodial arrest exists, the search analysis changes. United States v. Robinson allows a full search of the arrestee's person, incident to a valid custodial arrest. That is broader than the limited protective frisk discussed in Terry v. Ohio. The transcript supports a search of the woman and her belongings after arrest, but it does not show a vehicle search. Any separate vehicle search would require its own legal basis.
Natalie,
Nothing? Okay, I have to check.
You want the store phone number?
Yeah. Natalie, do you know the store phone?
The store?
Yeah, it should be on the phone there. It's not saying on the phone?
Un momento.
The office one?
The store.
The general number.
I got it.
There we go.
God, my connection is not good here. It's still.
It's Parsippany. Nothing works here.
Yeah. Nothing works.
It's 973
I got it.
You're good, I got it.
208. 9208.
I got 9130 on
Oh, there's different lines. I called
So
it
this is the line
9208.
form. This is the case number right here, 2550210. Okay. This is your copy of it.
Okay.
All right. Our copy. Ready to go?
I need a
Do we have the receipt?
Oh.
I don't.
Are you able to get an itemized receipt and total all the,
I'm not yet because she took all the price tickets off.
We
so
can come
have
back
that
for
number.
it. I just need
Yeah, so if you,
an ID on the amount.
I just need an email address. So once I get the email address, you'll have access to the video once I upload it. The receipt,
Okay.
I'll put it on there too. Everything.
you can take my email. It's CYI
CYI.
at parpolice.com.
So you're gonna get an invite to their Genetech system. So once you have that invite, you can access all of them.
The amount's definitely
The amount,
under. Is
the
definitely under
signed
200.
statements or
There's a
videos.
reason why I'm asking right now. The amount is definitely under 200, right?
That's what the store person calculated.
Okay.
I will re-add it in a few minutes, so just to make sure.
All right.
Should be one.
Sounds good. And we'll bring in a voluntary statement for you before we leave.
Okay.
All right.
Your car, right? I don't have a case.
Yeah, we'll put it in my car.
Here you're living. Do you mind coming out? We're going to give you a voluntary statement for your security officer there, and we'll come back for that.
Excuse us. You want to go this way? Okay, let's go this way. this way. Let me go, Frank. She's leading the way. Well, this way.
We'll have that 12 under.
We're gonna go to this car right here, okay? We're gonna go around onto this side. Just hold up for a second.
1 female under 10-4 P4.
Just hold up. You're good. Nope.
Headquarters to P4, just be advised. Female has no active ATS and no NCIC.
Thank you. Can you just grab a voluntary statement form for her?
Good? It's good. It's a quick ride. Do you have one? I have a bunch.
I just put a bunch in here. Here we go.
Where's her car at? Ask her where her car is.
Machina. No. Where's your car at? Machina?
Go. Just have the security officer fill out
Nissan
this portion right here from here to here.
Okay,
Sign there, and I'll come back
where
and pick
did you
that up when
park?
I pick up the receipt.
Other side, by Marshall's? By Marshall's. Nissan Pathfinder. What color?
Gris, gray.
Gray.
And my key.
Okay, yeah. It's just gonna stay here, but it's a Nissan Pathfinder. It's parked over there. It's gray. She didn't give me a great description of where, but.
You got 2 deals?
We'll obviously go through this better back there, but yeah, we'll make sure this all matches and if it's even her.
You'll see if the deal number's the same.
Yeah.
2 big red boys.
2 big red boys. Good.
Can you just print everything out to the back for me and start the case?
10-4.
Lenny's not gonna hear the end of this.
Yeah, just double check the credit cards,
He's right
make
there
sure
doing the
they're
lockout.
all her name. All right.
Let me turn off my music. Blasting rap in there. Where is Dumont?
That's Bergen County? I think that's Bergen County.
All set to go?
You want it on your front seat or you want me to leave it back here?
No, I'll leave it back there. Alright. I'll follow
Nice
you.
bag. Pretty cool.
Alright. Coming in the process with
Yeah.
me?
Unless, do you even want the new kid to come in and do it because he speaks Spanish? Like, obviously I'll start it, or...
Yeah, go in with him and then once that new kid gets in there...
Okay.
You
I mean, the only thing he needs to do is read her the Miranda. That's
Yeah, it's just,
That's
it's
true.
basic.
I have all her information right here.
That's the beauty, yeah, exactly. So, alright.
Okay, yeah, whatever.
Sounds good.
The language barrier matters most when rights are explained and a waiver is requested. Officers later discuss using a Spanish-speaking officer to read Miranda, a sound step because comprehension matters. But a later warning does not automatically erase an earlier custodial question. The transcript also contains an unclear reference to a lawyer, yet it is too ambiguous to establish that the woman personally invoked counsel during interrogation. The officers appear to keep the encounter controlled. Check warrant status, gather store evidence, and plan for Spanish-language Miranda warnings. The concern is the apparent investigative question after custody, but before any warning shown in the transcript. The woman appears to follow movement and processing directions without escalation. Neither cooperation nor frustration proves or disproves shoplifting. Guilt requires evidence and legal process.
Sí. Huh? We're bringing you to headquarters. Police.
What color did you say her vehicle was?
What color is your car?
Gray.
Gray?
Thank you.
Okay. No. No. Are you going home today? Maybe. I don't know. We just gotta process you. Okay? Paperwork, and then we'll bring you back. All right? Two vehicles.
Yeah, 2
I'll be
transporting this email to headquarters. Starting mileage 33605. 2A will be followed.
1028 New Jersey.
1028 New Jersey.
As long as you don't have any warrants, it's under $200, you'll go home.
Whiskey 82 Michael X-ray.
See. Oh shit.
Headquarters before.
Go.
Plate Whiskey 82 Michael X-ray Victor comes back to 2017. He's on Pathfinder 4-door silver, registered to a Juan A. Cabello.
2 practical lessons follow. First, police should separate routine custody instructions from questions designed to obtain evidence before Miranda is confirmed. Second, a language barrier should be addressed before seeking a waiver or substantive statement. The transcript ends with processing, not a verified release, charge, plea, or conviction. The core principle is simple. Arrest authority does not replace separate rules for searches and interrogation.